Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok videos offline. This is useful when you have limited internet or no connection at all. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now find the video you want to watch offline. I'll go with this one. Tap on the share icon on the right side. If the creator allows downloads, tap on download or save video. This video will be downloaded and saved to your phone gallery. You can now watch this video offline anytime. Another way is to save videos inside TikTok. For that, tap on the bookmark icon to add the videos to your favorites. Now please note, this method still requires internet access to play the video, but it helps you find it quickly later. To find it, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right and tap on this bookmark icon like this. Some TikTok videos cannot be downloaded due to creator settings or copyright restrictions. So yes, that's how you can watch TikTok videos offline. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick TikTok tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.